Package weight 0.36 kilograms. Product type vehicle mirror. Package quantity 1. Package dimensions 4.4 cm, L, x 10.2 cm, W, x 49.4 cm, H. 18-inch wide-angle mirror. 18 wide-angle, clip-on. 17 3/4 viewing area. Wide-angle rearview mirror provides a wider field of view, reducing blind spots. Easy installation. No tools required, simply clip on to existing rearview mirror. Chrome-plated glass is shatter-proof and reduces glare. The reflective chrome layer is plated on the front of the glass, resulting in less distortion. Does not have the day-night switch. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear to be. Marked for off-road use only. Fits most standard rearview mirrors, recommended for use in midsize and larger vehicles. May reduce access to mirror accessories such as map lights, compasses, OnStar controls, etc. Top reviews from the United States. It's got a lot to show you. So wide. Love it. Distortion-free, clear and easy to adjust. Who needs blind spot detection with this home run hitter? Pros. I can see everything. Cons. Now I can see everything my kids do.